Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Node.js not recognized in terminals. So the error Node.js not recognized in terminal typically indicate that the system path environment variables does not include the directory where Node.js is installed or Node.js not properly installed. So to verify, you just need to open a terminal or command prompt and type in node-v and press enter. If the node.js is installed correctly and in your system path, this command will display the node.js version. If it returns an error like node is not recognized, then proceed to the next step. And if the node.js is not installed or if the installation is corrupted, you want to download the official node.js install, the latest version recommended for the official node.js website, and run the installer and follow the prompt in order to completely install it. Ensure that the add to path option is selected during the installations if available. So these are some of the ways you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.